Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows update error, that is 0xc1420121. So if you're receiving this error code while updating your Windows 10 or 11, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run Update Troubleshooter. For this, go to the Start menu, then click on Settings. If you have Windows 11, click on System, and then you will see the option which says Troubleshoot. If you have Windows 10, click on Update and Security, then you will see Troubleshoot option. So click on Troubleshoot. Now go to Other Troubleshooter or Additional Troubleshooters. And then in Windows 10, simply click on Windows Update, and then you will see the Run the Troubleshooter option. So click on Run the Troubleshooter. In Windows 11, click on Run over here. And once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 or 11. Now the next step is to start Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type in Services in Windows search box and then click on Services. Now find Windows Update in the list. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set it to automatic. Then click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Then click on OK. Now with Windows Update selected over here, click on Restart the service. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click on Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Set it to automatic. Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. And then click on OK. Now with this selected, click on Restart the service. Now try to update your Windows 10 or 11. Now the next step is to use Windows 10 Update Assistant if you are using Windows 10, or you can use Windows 11 Installation Assistant if you have Windows 10. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. For Windows 10 users, go to this link. The link is provided in the video description. Scroll down. Here you can see Update Assistant. Click on Update now and then run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Now it will check for update. If there is any update for Windows 10, you will see install option over here. If you have Windows 11, then install Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on Download now, then run this exe file. Click on Yes to allow. Now click on Accept and install. Now if Windows 11 Installation Assistant is not opening, in that case, go to the download location. So open File Explorer, go to Downloads, make a right click on Windows 11 Installation Assistant, then select Properties. Now go to Compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says Run this program in compatibility mode for, and select Windows 7 from the list. Then click on Apply, OK, make a double click, and then this will launch Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on Accept and Install, and that should go ahead and update your Windows 11. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. This step is applicable on both Windows 10 and 11. So copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy the command till here. Open Notepad on your computer. Paste all the command over here. Go to File, Save As, set the location, select the location as desktop, and name this file as wuauserv.bat. And then for Save As type, select all files. Then click on Save. Now go to desktop. Make a right click on wuauserv file. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. So make a right click, then click on Run as administrator. Click on Yes to allow. Now first of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services, and then it will run some scans. Now the scan will take time because there are a couple of scans. Now once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services. And once the process is complete, because this process will take some time, and once the process is complete, restart your computer and then try to update your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Now if nothing is working, you can use Media Creation tool to update your Windows 10 or 11. So if you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Go to website. If you have Windows 10, copy this link. If you have Windows 11, copy this link. Windows 10 users, go to this website. Here you can see Media Creation tool. Click on Download tool now, and then run this exe file. then you will see the screen. Click on accept. By default, upgrade this PC now would be selected. Click on next. It will start downloading Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now once the download is complete, before the installation, you will see this screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on install, and once the installation is complete, log into your computer. Now for Windows 11 users, go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now, and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop, and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop. Find Windows ISO file. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Then run the setup file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11. Click on next. It will check for update. Then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer. So one of the steps should help you to get rid of this error message while updating your Windows. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.